Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at Hondo City Lodge number 756 in Hondo City, Texas. Looking forward to going to this lodge. Have not been to a lodge in Texas since I was in the Valley, which is way down south Rio Grande Valley here in Texas. So looking forward to going to this lodge. I see in the window there, they actually have an Eastern Star chapter that meets here too. So come along with us because we're going to explore the inside just a little bit, and I want to show you around this lodge because you've just entered the Coolest Life Masonic Edition. So we are inside, and right now, inside here they've got a really nice area to eat, and of course they've got dining room, and they've got some different things around the room. Let me go look at that in just a minute. But first, we'll go to the lodge room. So around the outside, they've got some of their past masters, really old style pictures. Those are cool. I love those. Sometimes you see these in the lodge rooms. A lot of times you see them out in some of the more common areas like this one here we're in.
The rest of them might be asleep.
There's some different Masonic homes of Texas. Sign-in sheet, and we'll do that in a minute. Let's go in the lodge room. I love the floor. Floor looks good. I'm going to close this door just so I don't get a lot of background noise. Normally start here. Here you got the Tyler, and or actually this is going to be the junior Deacon. He's going to sit there. I like the furniture. Furniture's in great shape. Love the Senior Warden's logo here. You know me, I'm a fan of columns like these. You can see those columns are offset, but it's got a Senior Warden logo right there. And he's probably got that on his jewel. Look at that column. That's unusual. It's good size. It's about 14 inches tall. Look at the size of that. It's like a little smaller than a softball. No other markings on it. Gavel. Nice piece of granite there. Let's take a look at these. Look how this has actually been cut out. Actually, both sides have been cut out there. So sometimes you put your chairs up here. A lot of lodges I see, even in Texas, they'll take this chair and put it here and put the Tyler's chair there by the door. Got some pomegranate up there. Small globe. Those are a little different. Smaller than most, I'd say. It's actually smaller than the terrestrial globe, which is what this one here represents. Ah, you don't see many of these. Ooh, nice. Wonder what that could be. Astronomy. Looks like they're almost like steps, but they're on a rope. Interesting. Probably for degree work. But check this out. Those of you might know what this is. This helps your candidate in the fellowcraft degree. Most states don't know what this is. I know what this is because I was actually in a degree where we used one of those in South Carolina, I think it was. They're really cool. You got some compasses here. Oh, look, a nice little sharp instrument. Little sword. This is the seat of the North. Sometimes Texas is the only one that I know of that sets their senior deacon way down here, not quite past half. Normally this chair would be here. Sometimes that'll set them there, but I've seen a lot of, in Texas is the only one I've seen where their senior deacon will actually sit this far down. He's actually almost directly across from the altar here. And you'll follow these. You can see he's still actually east of the altar. Got a nice box up top. Piano matches everything with the columns. Thought that might have been a election box, but it is not a voting box of any sort. That's something to set on a table so you can speak from a little podium. Eastern Star, more like they got an Eastern Star here is my guess. A lot of times you'll see the Tyler, the treasurer would sit here. In most jurisdictions, except for Pennsylvania and a few others where their secretary actually sits on this side. You can see that in other videos. I like that. I don't know what this is for. This might be a traveling gavel. just like it says here. Traveling gavel. This is heavy too. This is like 5 pounds. You know, it's definitely solid. I like the Damascus. Ooh, new word Damascus. I learned that from Forged in Fire. If you ever watched that before. I like the carrying case for it. That's nice. I got a buddy who does the leather work, and this is an idea, a carrying case for your gavel. Well, it's got a belt loop for it. Interesting. District 53 here in Texas. Masonic Home Golf 3rd place 2024. Nice. I like this thing. I always liked about this, if you're watching my videos, you see how this is pointed up. It is pointed up. When it's not in combination with compasses, it should be pointed up, just like it is. You cannot even find a jewel that is not pointed up. I've never seen one that was, you know, you don't see them like that. They're always pointed up. These, when you buy these individual, they're always pointed up, unless of course they've got compasses on them. Like that Jeep just might light up. So in Texas is unusual from other states, whereas they'll do a pledge to the flag, then they also do a pledge to the Texas flag. And actually, they've got it written right there. That is a Texas pledge. Secretary's going to sit there. You always tell by that because he's got the quills. That's where he's going to sit. Looks like this is basically his office. Got a projector up there. Saw that, extra hats. And this should be Grand Chapter Order of the Eastern Star. And this one here would be their charter. Awesome. Let's go down here and take a look at their junior warden. He's got a matching column. Both of these are up. I got a good mind to put that one down. Was it down when I came in here? I actually don't remember. It might have been. I think it was. It should be down Masonically. So, and those of you who know why these are up and down know why I just did that. And that's pretty much every jurisdiction, if they have a column. Not every jurisdiction is going to have a column, but if they do have columns, at this time, that column's going to be down, this one's going to be up. It's a nice setup here. Last but not least, let's take a look at this altar. You can see he's got the Tyler sword out here, and they do that because part of their opening and closing, that's where it's supposed to be. They also have the lesser lights here to the right and grouped. A lot of times you'll see lesser lights kind of scattered, but not in this lodge, they're right there together. And we've also got the same type of column work here where the column is built, and it's actually detached from whatever it's attached to. It's not. Got a kneeling pad there, that's good. A lot of times you'll see these will be doors here, or this will lift off. This might lift off, but this is a solid piece of granite. It looks like, yeah, it's solid. That's not going anywhere. It may slide, but I'm not going to slide it. It's a good looking piece. It really is. So if you're ever in Hondo City, Texas, come on down where they are southeast. Let's see, they are southwest of it. Basically, maybe southwest of San Antonio, or maybe we're a little more due west of San Antonio. So somewhere around in there. 8 o'clock. If you look at San Antonio, go to 8 o'clock. That's out that direction. So where Hondo City is. Come on, see Hondo City number 756. Ooh, I remembered the number. Isn't that nice? That was bonus material. So come see them here at the Hondo City Lodge here in Hondo City. I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did me. We had a big meal. We had lasagna. It was great. Good time. So come see them. See these brothers. They meet on the, what is this, the second Monday? Second Tuesday, second Monday. I think it's the second Monday. Maybe this is first Monday. Anyway, come see him. I'm going to let you go because I didn't get back out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.